Good morning from Singapore. You're watching Street Science. I'm Tanveer Gill with Sam Baras at the SGX. Let's get to your headlines this hour then. Joe Biden bows out. The US president is withdrawing his re-election bid and throwing his weight behind his VP, Vice President Kamala Harris, as a potential Democratic nominee. US equity futures are modestly higher following Biden's announcement, but earnings also a dominant theme this week, as well as central bank policy with the Fed's preferred gauge of inflation, the PCE, due out on Friday.
And China's central bank trims the 7-day reverse repo rate by 10 basis points this morning, calling it part of its efforts to improve open market operations and better support the real economy. As we mentioned, investors in this part of the world waking up to that big news this morning, Biden dropping out of his re-election bid and endorsing VP Kamala Harris. So we are watching to see how the markets are going to be reacting to this today. So far, they are exercising a degree of caution. We have got most markets, all markets in the red this morning, in the vicinity of down almost 2% so far as we have got underway this morning. We've got the Straits Times just really teetering around that flat line at the moment. But a few markets to point out. We've got the Nikkei 225 down around over 1%, as you can see here, and the Topix doing a similar thing. The Kospi is also about in line with that sentiment. So we are, of course, gauging the reaction as to what sort of uncertainty this now injects into the markets. As Tanveer mentioned in those headlines, we've got a lot of event risk on the horizon. We are watching earnings and, of course, central banks as well, Tanveer, as we have, of course, had China cutting one of those interest rates this morning. We do have Chinese markets coming online at the bottom of the hour. We'll be gauging reaction to that, and also this official document that has come out as we got the third plenum communique and the press conference. We'll be digging into that a little bit in the program.
So lots to cover this Monday morning, Sam.